You can add headers to the top and footers to the bottom of a worksheet. When you print the worksheet, the headers and footers also print. For example, you might create a header with a file path and a footer with page numbers. Headers and footers display only in page layout view and on printed pages. Select the worksheet you want to add a header or footer to. Click the Insert tab and click Header and Footer. This displays the worksheet in page layout view. The Header and Footer Tools Design tab appears, and by default, the cursor is in the center section of the header. I'm selecting the left section. I want to add the file path to it, so I click the File Path button. I click anywhere else on the worksheet, and the file path displays in the left section of the header on all pages. To add a footer, scroll to the bottom of the page, select the section of the footer you want to add something to. On the Design tab, click an element such as page number. Click anywhere else on the worksheet, and page numbers now display in the footer. There are other elements on the Design tab. Check them out. You can also just type information in a header or footer. Select the section you want to add text to, and type your text. When you're done, you might want to return to normal page view to have more room to work on your worksheet. Click the worksheet, click the View tab, and click the Normal button. Up next, page numbering in depth.